It was a beautiful sunny afternoon. Baby found something bright and orange. A yummy carrot. Soft little hands. Big happy smile. The magic carrot whispered, "Healthy food helps little heroes grow." Sleepy eyes, cozy hugs, sweet dreams begin. Oops, down rolled the carrot, but baby kept dreaming. Welcome to the magic garden. Healthy friends everywhere. Hop, dance, laugh together.
Healthy food gives us strength, happiness, and bright smiles.
Like, subscribe, and share.